Hey, what's going on, guys? Brendan here at DetailKing.com, and today I'm here to tell you guys about our DK Student Alumni before and after video contest. As many of you remember, our Impossible Detail video was very popular on YouTube. We took a car that was covered in moss, algae, it had mold in it, and we brought it back to life, brought it shining, brand new, looked great. So, what we want from you guys is to show what you can do. You came through our class and learned from our very best, so we want to see your impossible detail. Take a very dirty car and you and your team put a detail together on it. The better before and after video and clips that you put together, the better chances you have of winning. Your submissions will be entered into our gallery where our community will vote on your submissions. Once you submit your video, you'll be given a link to share on your Facebook pages to get as many votes as possible from your friends and family. The 3 entries with the most votes will be named our semi-finalists, and the grand prize winner will be named after our independent judge has made his decision. He will consider all things covered during the Auto Detailing Training Institute and how well you applied the knowledge you gained to your video. Now you may be wondering, what am I in it to win? As you can see right here, our grand prize winner will receive 1 MTM Hydro Foam cannon, 1 gallon of our Black Cherry Wash and Wax to put in your MTM Hydro Foam cannon, 1 Detail King Microfiber lined tote bag to put all of your tools and supplies in your glove box while you're traveling, a Detail King branded mini Padfolio, and 1 Detail King beer mug. So what are you guys waiting for? You have from January 16th through February 11th to get your submissions filmed, edited, and submitted. And make sure to get as many votes as possible by getting your family and friends to vote on our gallery. So thanks for watching. We can't wait to see what you come up with. See you guys in the next one.